Welcome back, developers. Today we are exploring how Google's powerful tools can help you build smarter, faster, and more scalable apps. Imagine starting with a single idea and within minutes connecting it to Firebase or real-time data. Crafting a beautiful cross-platform interface with Flutter and deploying seamlessly to Google Cloud. The ecosystem is designed to remove friction so you can focus on what matters most, creating experiences your users will love. In this quick walkthrough, I will show you how to set up your project, integrate essential services, and push your app live with confidence. By the end, you will see how easy it is to go from concept to launch without slowing down your creativity. If you are ready to level up your skills, bring your ideas to life, stick around and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the next tip. Let's build the future together, one line of code at a time. Bye-bye.